Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinka, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about why Ethereum is looking actually bullish in the future. Because there are so many rumors that now there are other ecosystems than Ethereum, and also Ethereum gas fees are high, but still Ethereum is bullish, and why I'm going to tell you. The second news is all about that what's happening right now on the market, and that there is a chance now that the market will go up and Bitcoin will go up as well. And the third news is all about that Tesla actually could make more money with just holding Bitcoin than selling cars. So guys, all this in today's video. And of course, it's very important to educate yourself. Don't forget our free course, How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. The link is right under the video, and many other links which could be useful. Another course or how to save money on certain things, so check them out. And also, if you like the content, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm bringing you the freshest and crispiest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. So from Monday to Friday, if you subscribe, hit the bell button and all, you're going to receive the notifications when a new video is out, and with that you can keep yourself up to date. And now let's check out the market, how that looks like. So at the moment we have Bitcoin at $58,150 US, which means almost a 4% increase in the last 24 hours. Nice move. Then Ethereum, $1,810 US, bit more than 1% up. We can see Cardano is still going up after, it was announced before yesterday that it will be listed on Coinbase, and the day is actually Coinbase Pro, and the day is actually today. The winners, what we have Kyber Network, 29% up. Basic Attention Token still going up just like yesterday, 25%. And Filecoin also 19%. And I'm going to talk about these guys as well. Why? When we're looking at the losers, we have not big losers today. Terra, minus 5%. The BitTorrent, minus 3%. Flow, minus 2%. Thetafuel, minus 2%. Yeah, okay. This is nothing in crypto. Actually, we all were having a very nice day. And let's move on to the first news, which is all about that Ethereum in general, it's looking bullish. And why? So we have heard so many gossips now that, there are other ecosystems, they are actually better. And now, of course, Binance chain is much cheaper. And yes, this is the present. This is no question of that. To transfer, do a swap, for example, on PancakeSwap, it's much cheaper than do it on Uniswap. Or an Ethereum transaction, because of the Ethereum gas fees, cost quite a lot compared to Binance chain. But the good news is that overall, in my opinion, I think that Ethereum is still bullish and looking promising. And let's talk about these things a little bit, why I think that. First of all, we have this great NFT market exploding right now. The whole NFT thing, it's right now on Ethereum blockchain. Okay, yes, there are new things coming out here and there. For example, Cardano is going to have its first NFT, but the main thing is happening on Ethereum. DeFi, the majority of the biggest and biggest projects in DeFi are on Ethereum blockchain. The most liquidity, it's on Ethereum actually. So all this thing showing that Ethereum is still massive, is still great. And yes, we have this kind of fee problem, but there is actually a really hard work in the background, and the guys are working on it, how to fix it even before 2.0 is out. And now we can see one of the solutions which could be great. It's all about optimism. And Optimism made Optimistic Rollup, which is basically a layer 2 solution, which can make even Ethereum transactions 100 more transactions, 100 times more transactions actually. So basically it's a scaling solution, put it this way. So for instance, if you're looking at a normal transaction, when everything is smooth and working, it can be up to 4,000 transactions, between 4,000 and 1,000 transactions. And it's not just about simple transactions, but it's also about smart contract. So it's a great for scalability. And, this is actually happening now-ish. And Vitalik said in one of his presentations that actually if Ethereum 2.0 will go even another year or 2 or 3 years to finish, this can be the solution until that. And this can bring, faster transactions, smaller gas fees, this kind of new thing which called optimistic rollup. So if we summarize these things, and of course we have, this kind of base protocol introducing in the summer when there will be fee burned. So actually, Ethereum, they're going to burn Ethereum in each transaction from the transaction fee. I don't know exactly how much, there's an estimated 20%, 30, 50%. We will see, of course, in practice. But also, this will make Ethereum a deflationary token. If it's so, then it means that the circulating supply will actually decrease, and this can also push the price up. So I'm very positive that good things are coming to Ethereum. Not financial advice, but this is what I believe of, and because of these things I have just mentioned. And now let's move on to the second news, and let's check out how the market right now looks like, because actually we can see today a move upward. And why is that? So yes, finally, after a couple of bad days for Ethereum as well, but also Bitcoin I wanted to mention, we can see now finally nice green numbers, and again they going towards 60,000 K. So here's this article, and the 60K Bitcoin price back in sight after Morgan Stanley and Fed made announcements. So which are these announcements? First of all, optimism returned across the cryptocurrency market on the 17th of March following the brighter economic forecast from the US Federal Reserve and comments which hinted at the possibility of the interest rate hike in 2022 if employment and economy indicators continue to improve. So there is a chance for that. This was actually definitely a push. Another great news, bullish momentum for the cryptocurrency began to build after it was revealed that institutions banking giant Morgan Stanley will soon offer certain investors access to 3 funds that allow clients to own Bitcoin. And this is Morgan Stanley is the one who is saying that. So actually, clients could reach Bitcoin through them. There will be 3 funds to do so. Also, another bullish thing, Grayscale. This is rather good for altcoins. Select altcoins also moved higher after Grayscale Investment announced that it had added 5 new products to its lineup, offering exposure to Basic Attention Token. As you could see, Basic Attention Token went up, Chainlink, Decentraland, Filecoin, and LivePeer. Here you can see these. Here, this is the announcement of-ish, yes, and the announcement sparked price rallies for all the projects involved, with LivePeer seeing the biggest impact as its price rocketed more than 260% from low $5.53 to new all-time high $20.21. And all the others are also did very well. As you could see today, even Basic Attention Token was doing well, and Filecoin, and so on and so forth, even yesterday and today. So all these things making the whole market right now positive in green and bullish, and then maybe now this is a next move towards 60K. Let's see how long it can take to reach it, and it will stay like this or it will turn back. We will see, but now things looking good. And the third news is all about that Tesla actually could make more money by just holding Bitcoin than making cars. That's interesting. So we do know that Tesla invested 1.5 billion US dollar into Bitcoin in this year. And it turns out it was a great investment. Why I say that? Because the new numbers showing that actually Tesla may have made more money holding Bitcoin than selling cars. And let's check this out. So Tesla unrealized profit from holding Bitcoin could be an equivalent of upscaling the company daily car sales by over 860%. That's a big number. It has been 37 days since Tesla announced its 1.5 billion Bitcoin, so $1.5 billion Bitcoin purchase in filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The exact BTC purchase size was not revealed in the document, but with Bitcoin trading between 29 and 37K in January, Tesla's 1.5 Bitcoin outlay could mean the company holds at least 40,000 Bitcoin. Based on these speculative figures, and the Bitcoin price increase since the end of January, Tesla 40,000 Bitcoin minimum is now worth 2.2 billion. So that's like from 1.5 to 2.2 when we estimate these figures. This figure translates to 700 million in unrealized profit in dollar. Thus, Tesla is sitting on close to 19 million unrealized profit per day over the 37-day period since it announced the Bitcoin purchase. So when we're looking back, when they announced it, and we multiply it with those 37 days, then we get that they make $19 million daily. The electronic vehicle manufacturer earned 31.54 billion in revenue from the sale of almost 500,000 cars. In 2020, delivered a profit of 721 million in a year from the profit. Taking the car sales across the year as the fit average, Tesla could approximately 1,368 cars per day at the profit of 1.98 million US dollar. And therefore, as stated earlier, Tesla has made 90 million unrealized profit per day holding Bitcoin so far. So we will see how it goes. If Bitcoin price is going up, they continue to make money and probably more money than making cars. This is a very interesting comparison. A company whose main mission is to making cars, and it's made for make the profit from the thing what they're doing, basically. Obviously, what is their profile? But with the Bitcoin investment, now they're making more money. And this is actually crazy. And this is the reason why actually even more companies can join Bitcoin, because MicroStrategy, no question of that, making also more money with Bitcoin than what they're doing with their own profile. So Bitcoin does make better days for companies. It looks like that. And the bull market is still continuing. No actually real bearish signs that the bull market will be over or something like that. So guys, keep an eye on it. Stay up to date. Therefore, it's very important that subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And then I keep you up to date because I'm bringing you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news every weekday. And if you like this content, smash the like button so it can spread to more people on YouTube. Don't forget the free course, how to start investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is under this video, and check out the other links because they're all very useful. I wish you an amazing day, and tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. Have a good one. Bye-bye.